Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm thrilled to bring you another practical iPhone tutorial today to help you get the most out of your device. In this video, we're diving into how to use back tap on iPhone with iOS 18, an amazing accessibility feature that's perfect for creating quick shortcuts to your favorite actions. We'll go through the setup process step by step. I'll explain each option in detail and I'll share some handy tips to avoid common issues. So let's set up back tap together. Stick with me for this one. First, you'll need to open the Settings app. It's the gear icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the app, and tap Accessibility. This section is where you'll find features to customize your iPhone experience. Under Physical and Motor, tap Touch to access touch-related settings, then scroll down to find Back Tap. It's near the bottom. Tap. Double tap to set an action for double tapping the back of your iPhone. You'll see a list of options. Choose something like App Switcher to quickly switch between apps. Now go back and tap Triple Tap. Assign another action like Control Center, which lets you access quick settings with 3 taps, then go back to save your changes. To test it, double tap the back of your iPhone. You should see the App Switcher pop up, then triple tap to bring up the Control Center. Pretty cool, right? Here's a helpful tip. If back tap doesn't work, ensure your phone case isn't too thick. It can block the taps, or practice tapping firmly on the back near the Apple logo for the best results. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments which actions you set for back tap. I'd love to hear how you're using this feature. See you in the next video.